Are you looking for the essential tools for your home garage? In this video, we'll show you 10 tools that every garage owner should have. From air compressors to screwdrivers, we'll cover everything you need to get the job done. These are the tools that every garage owner should have, whether you're a dyer or a professional mechanic. So without further ado, let's get started. Tool number 1, air compressor. First up on our list is the powerful and versatile air compressor. From inflating tires to operating pneumatic tools, an air compressor is a true workhorse that will make your life a whole lot easier. We'll show you how to choose the right one for your needs and the amazing tasks it can accomplish. Tool number 2, spanners. No garage is complete without a set of trusty spanners. These essential tools come in various sizes and types, making them perfect for tackling all sorts of nuts and bolts. We'll guide you through the different types and help you understand which ones are indispensable for your toolbox. Tool number 3, screwdriver. A classic tool that needs no introduction, the trusty screwdriver. From assembling furniture to fixing electronic devices, screwdrivers are an absolute necessity. We'll also introduce you to some nifty tips and tricks to make the most out of these seemingly simple tools. Tool number 4, wrench. When it comes to heavy-duty tightening and loosening, a wrench is your best friend. We'll showcase the different types of wrenches available and demonstrate their unique applications. Get ready to add some serious torque to your DIY projects. Tool number 5, hex keys. Also known as Allen keys, these little wonders are essential for working with hexagonal socket screws. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing your bike, hex keys are a must-have. We'll show you how to identify the right size and keep them organized in your garage. Tool number 6, pliers. Versatile and indispensable. Pliers come in various shapes and sizes, each serving a specific purpose. We'll demonstrate their multiple uses, from gripping to cutting, and everything in between. Prepare to be amazed by the wide range of tasks pliers can handle. Tool number 7, hammer. The all-time classic, the hammer. This powerful tool is vital for any garage. From driving nails to breaking objects apart, a hammer is a force to be reckoned with. We'll highlight different types of hammers and when to use them to achieve the best results. Tool number 8, tape measure. Accuracy is the key to any successful project, and a reliable tape measure is your ticket to precision. We'll discuss the various features to look for in a tape measure and demonstrate its importance in carpentry, DIY projects, and even simple home improvements. Tool number 9, jack. Working on your vehicle becomes a breeze with a sturdy jack by your side. We'll introduce you to different types of jacks and guide you on using them safely to lift your car or truck, making maintenance tasks much more manageable. Tool number 10, utility knife. Last but not least, the utility knife. A true workhorse for cutting through various materials with ease. We'll show you how to handle it safely and demonstrate its incredible versatility for all sorts of DIY applications. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on gifts and gadgets.